Well, look at this. No chemtrails today. The weekday. So these people with their arguments that all the flight traffic has doubled and tripled are full of shit. There's no chemtrails and there's no chemtrail planes. It's a weekday. Where the hell is all the air traffic that supposedly the flights doubled and tripled? That is a line of crap. On a normal chemtrail day right now, there would be a plane every minute, every 2 minutes. There'd be a plane coming through here. I haven't seen one all fucking day. Only the ones that take off and land from Midway. And they're far and few between. So where the fuck are all the planes? Every time that there's no chemtrails, there's no chemtrail planes. Well, I'll see commercial flights, like I said. I hear one now. Let's see if we can find it. It's going to be a commercial flight leaving Midway or O'Hare. No chemtrail. So obvious. I guess maybe no one flew today, huh? Maybe no one had business. Just a little business. I can't see this. Oh, there it is. These people's arguments are ridiculous. They don't even hold water. So, no chemtrails today, south side of Chicago. Probably out west of here, or God only knows where. You know, they're spraying somewhere. Been outside?